Hey guys, Toppy and I, we're hanging out. We actually just got back from going to dog stores. We went to PetSmart and Petco. But yeah, now we're at the park. It's really hot. It's like 90 degrees out. But there's a lake down here, or a river. I don't know what you call it. So we're gonna try to head to the lake or the river, or whatever you call it. And maybe it should be nicer down there. So we're in the middle of the river. Would you call this a river or a creek? I don't know. But yeah, we're in the middle of the river. Poppy's hanging out. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. What'd you think? Oh, don't be doing that. No, don't be doing that. Dirty boy. You ready? Go get it. Get it, buddy. Get it. What are you doing? Go get it before it floats away. It's a river. It's going to float. Go get it. It's going to float away, buddy. Oh, you almost got it. Oh, you got it. It just keeps going under. Try it one more time. Try it one more time. Oh, okay, now it's just floating away. Come on, Topper. Come on, Topper. Come on. Go get it. Topper, it's right here. Topper, come here. It's right here. You ready? Get it, buddy. What are you doing, my boy? What are you doing? Where's your ball at? Fuck, where's your ball at? Well, the ball's gone. Probably down the river by now. God, you're fast. Yep, the ball's probably gone down the river. I can't find it. Oh. Oh my gosh. You're something else, you know that? Hey, buddy. So, I don't know, I was gonna make this area right here be Topper's area, like put a bed there and then put like his toys in the corner, like get a little bin. But then I also, oh my God, he about fell off the couch right there. But then I also feel like I could move this. Like this is usually just my like ring lights corner. But I also feel like I could just put my ring lights in my room and I could make this Topper's corner. Because he likes to sit here and stare out the window all the time. So I could put his bed right there next to the window and then put his toys and shit. I don't know. But then I kind of want to watch him play. You know, like this is his stuff right now. Everything's a mess. He throws everything. Ugh. Oh, you're going to put that back on the floor? He loves just messing with those blankets. Oh my God, is he doing oh my God, that was about a handstand, my boy. So I actually decided to make this Topper's corner. So we got this over here. And then now this is all clean because Topper's toys are all over here now. This is his little corner. You ready, buddy? These are all the new toys you got. So the first one is this. Look, it makes noise when you like squeeze it. He's like, maybe. Okay, that's a maybe. So we got that one. They just all look kind of cool and different. So I was like, okay, let's just get them. Topper with his toys. Which one do you like? Yeah, you like that one? That one's probably gonna be when you get bigger. I think you're too small to handle this. When you get older, maybe. Maybe. Because these are his other toys. Like, look, this one he destroyed. This one you can see like he's destroying already. That one he's really destroying. They're all pretty destroyed. So now he got a whole new collection of toys. Yeah. So now I'm gonna take a shower, but I'm gonna shave first. I have my facial hair and I kind of like it right now. Like I'm digging it, but I'm just gonna like clear it up because this is how it looks. It looks horrible right now because it's not cleaned up, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna shave and then take a shower. Then I think I'm gonna make some tacos. I am making some tacos now. And then for dessert, I'm having angel food cake with some mixed berries and whipped cream. Yum. That's what I had for breakfast this morning too. That's really good. I'm addicted to that. But yeah, I'm having some tacos. This is me lined up my facial hair. Yep, got 3 tacos. Here's how it looks. Here's... Topper's like, I want some.